If you're doing too much of this, then you need this. Our adjustable footrest, available online at www.heartdeco.co.za. Okay, so our adjustable footrest can adjust to 3 different levels and different angles to the front and back. If you feel like you need a little bit of a massage at the back of your legs, then you can tilt it to the back. And if you want to get a bit of blood flowing through your legs, then the front is definitely the way to go. If you sit in the office the whole day and you feel like you're cramping up and your legs are hurting a lot, then this is perfect for you. So the footrest is designed with a lot of small little circle bubbles, if you could say. It is perfect for massaging your feet or your legs, get the blood circulation flowing, and then if you adjust it to the left or to the right, which will be your front and back, by the way, it will be perfect if you want to just lay down your legs for a little bit of a massage to the front while you're wiggling. You can even keep it on the level, massage your feet during the day, and get the blood flowing. Okay, so to adjust to the 3 different levels, you have to pick up the footrest on both sides, straight up. Okay, so now if you want to rotate back or you want to readjust the level, you're going to place your foot at the front, tilt it all the way to the back, and then just slide it down like that. Adjust it to the first level, and then if you want to go back all the way down, just to the back and to the front again. Okay guys, so that is how to use our adjustable footrest from Heart Deco.